please.
Alright, then we there behind the scenes again. First video for your man in squad in a mango tree again. I throw down mango gelato if you catch down here, so see it? Look. Look. Lato have 4 mango in a hand so
4
far.
mango.
Chop lad round the
Me old fashioned, you know. Me old fashioned. Me no busy what they want to say, but me know what they mean.
4 mango.
4 mango.
Okay. Let's see now.
Catch that fruit.
Catch it, Lato. Catch that film, Lato. Cause Scrappy a video.
This is a squad
That's a mango.
Squad. Alright.
Mango.
People, this a mango. Me no know this a what.
Fruit.
Squad said this a fruit.
Yeah.
But me want to ask the whole audience if you all of them look alike.
No.
Okay.
Fruit,
So if this a mango, this a what?
Fruit.
Mango.
A mango.
Chop lad always the
We all know
it's
it's a fruit, but it's a mango fruit.
You man don't want a girl go to show them some fruit.
Me don't chat with them, you know.
Yeah.
Sapphire and Chris here.
Where you in here, though?
I run up and down. Why am I do sugar on your stick?
Eh?
The last year, you know.
Girl go tree, man.
Which girl got tree? Mango tree Nick up in her. Same thing like last week,
I'll
people.
smoke up in here.
In my bun sit now.
Fine skin mango. Girl go.
Yo, that fruit yeah, look red and
Hey, about that fruit that look red and sweet, you know, mango tree.
Chris, yeah?
Yeah. Lato, where mango when it gear? Give me cause I big this one and this seed supposed to big. Go see if you go cut off everything.
Look. I know up there, so seat up there, so I make up there, so.
Make it stay right there, so yeah. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Sapphire, say hi. Sapphire. Watch here. Sapphire, I'm talking to you. Give me a rate then. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay.
Lefty.
Go on, you to ball left. Tita, kiss. Sapphire. You just kissed it a while ago? Oh, you better make sure. Is she kissed it? Oh, you ain't gonna take up to your friend anyway. You better make sure, girl. Come past the face. Lato make a mango drop.
A tree. Ricky that did man. Ricky that did
Better than lick out, you know.
Hey, how far Ricky to go get lick out?
Yo, I'm going to go some catch up my finger and cool it down for you, no bust up.
Squad you up
Go
there,
me
pick.
there catch you, bro. Last time me a man try catch up. You pull!
What go on?
Pray the finger, pray the fuck, I lucky no broke. But it better when broke.
You see, I pray in the finger praying.
Yeah. You see, if when broke, you're not better film because you don't know the boy
Boy!
broke.
Remember if you press like, you know, me notice say someone they watch a video.
brain no
Nah,
better,
press
man.
like. Just press the like button.
You have to live with that.
What time?
You have what? I tell you,
We are going to do a movie today, guys.
Good. You
A
attack.
new movie. What's that
for?
for?
Attack you again. I said,
I go lick you.
What? You see what telling the why name? Alright, yeah.
I shall no one give me eat it. I shall wash me.
She a Russia?
Yeah.
no man, me no want to know
I lie. In Russia, man, everybody else say Russia. Sure.
So go back down in here, down there.
When you wash me, I shall.
Gonna play, and don't rush on one another, yeah?
Horse, we say horse.
I call them crush.
Put them over there, Salato.
Fruit.
Put them over there, they go on like a fear, all of them, you know, me notice, yeah?
Fruit.
You notice, they go on like say all of them are fear. But we shall see.
All of them.
Yeah. I third drink this for morning. Movie shooting.
Lato.
No boom down in back.
Yes.
Lato, you want boom for fear?
No.
Bombas!
You catch it?
Watch how Nick backs up your mango seed and catch you a while ago. Hey, no, make it drop.
Why you just do all of
You know, see what?
True what you say.
Mango slip out there and I go so.
No sir.
You're fried there.
Yeah, I'm frightened.
Hey, the mango drop out and Nick on. And Nick using me. Yeah. Nick using me and keep up the mango so and catch it so back in her hand.
Peace.
Me a bite. Yeah. Give me, me. I don't want to see it because you eat the seed already. So yeah, give me that so you know. Peel off some, give me. Come squad.
You too crave my youth.
Come squad, you eat this
Me
already.
give you part of-
Alright, give me.
Boom there.
Turbo, you know?
Boom done.
You have to take time, your mouth they open too big. You take too long, yeah, man.
Hey.
Sure.
Tracy now. You not run down the man. Me thank God me a boy.
Yeah, if wait.
Hey.
You want some?
You see me a boy lot.
No one. Give me. Give me. Give me.
Crave no man, boy.
Fresh man.
Sure.
Weak man, that's
Give
enough.
me. Give me.
Even me I eat fruit, me go one side, me eat my fruit. I'm all here, you.
You don't need the real.
I'll save some for rainy day. I'll take some of my head and drink.
Yeah.
We not far.
Yeah. You put in a bag. You put in a bag.
Some people when they want me, I'm going
You have to go move it from outside by.
Me I shouldn't have gone here for rain too far. But rain too far.
No rain not fall. Go ahead. Rainy day now come yet.
Yo, I like to.
Look at it.
I the man go in a bush go. I just wanna give me the name man go. You know. Eat this
cold,
mango
man.
seed, man. Eat, do what you
Behave
went to do with the
yourself,
seed.
man.
Do what you went to do a while ago.
You want
Do
peace?
it now. No, me not bother one none. Do what you went to do a while ago with the mango.
You can't
Do it
get
now.
peace. You follow that car.
Wait, not you.
Yes, yes, your arm wet. Oi, do what you did there.
Sweet, you know?
Come, Sapphire, come.
You look wrong, you're not wrong.
A green gauge.
No worry yourself. You see the movie how we do? Follow na your mother.
Alright.
Follow know if you deal with you.
Me know what to do, man. Rake up your yard and do everything what to do.
And
Alright.
follow and done with you. You can't have no man friend, no girlfriend. Yes.
That's why I'm wearing.
Yeah.
In case.
You went to add that, you went to wear and then now. You know, so we have to walk far away from the camera. See there? Lot of it on baby sit over there.
Yeah,
So.
man, we there, so man, and we are the two baby in my house, you see me? Yeah, man.
And me have to
Yeah,
turn
man, I
baby
don't
sit
know.
over here, so.
Yeah, man, I don't know. A Sophia and Chrissia, water fire.
But Sapphire unruly. Sapphire,
Yeah, man.
come.
Sophia real unruly one.
Sapphire.
Sophia.
Sapphire
Leave us,
unruly baby. She not listen.
Leave.
Leave this.
I fire that Sophia. That's Sophia.
Come round here.
Alright, stop right here, Sophia. See it from one to the next one.
Sapphire, I like her unruly one. For your ears, no bore too.
Chrissia don't rule like Sophia.
See Chrissy right here. Say hi.
I
Tell them say subscribe.
subscribe.
Two.
Yalla. Say subscribe to Actress Shayna.
Subscribe to Shana.
Okay, good girl. Good girl. Sapphire, come baby. Come Sapphire. So this we go through at the time,
Yeah,
guys.
man,
When we
Chrissy,
dey
I
on
tell them,
set,
say, this is Chrissy representing Talkuptalkuptv.
Sapphire.
Not for you. I'm here for every day.
This is Chrissy. Come make all the cringe of Shayna, man. Come in, that girl. Say, this is Chrissy.
Subscribe.
To
Remember,
Shayna.
he said
Tell
subscribe.
subscribe to Auntie Shayna channel.
Subscribe to Auntie Chanel.
Channel.
Cheyenne.
Alright, say it again. Subscribe to Auntie Shayna channel.
Subscribe to Cheyenne.
Subscribe to Auntie Shayna channel.
Subscribe to Uncle Shana.
Channel.
Cheyenne.
Tell me, say you say it that you really
Please subscribe to Auntie Shayna channel.
Watch a girl, you know. Watch the video lot of color. One day we take off, you know.
Go, jump right here. Jump right here. Go, jump right here. 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 White girl. Jump right here. Jump right here. Jump right here. Hey. Jump right here. Jump right here. That's what they like. Kids like fun. Come back right here.
Come,
Safi,
come, don't pass up there,
Safi,
so.
come. Come down here. A Sophia that you know, not a fire, you know.
Man, you drop, you go too far for run.
Come in. Don't play with her. You will get burned.
Don't
You
go
will
too
get
far, yeah,
burned.
mommy?
Jump fire, jump fire, jump fire, jump fire. Real bad people, you know.
But you're not setting foot for run off. Come, don't go too far. Don't go up there, so I know why you run off and he will drop. Set to catch him later.
Come here, Emma. Come here. Come here.
Yeah, man, we two young actresses, them. We're the youngest actress on the team. Sapphire and Christian. Lato daughter, Fallon daughter.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
In the Negre.
Come now, ready?
Hey guys, in the Negre.
Yeah. Come here. Come tell them to subscribe to Talkuptalkuptv1.
Subscribe at Talk TV.
Yeah. Buduf baf kwef.
No. Wow, no, that's
Buduf baf kwef. Say buduf baf kwef.
Kubus by Chris.
Sapphire, come here.
piece of steak.
Sapphire, go kill it with what lot.
When they done it, they come and make the chili out of work.
Shana, talk to him to give me tea.
Sapphire, don't take away our
She's
stuff.
not gonna give you, right? She's not.
You?
I want that see she gear there. You're lucky she gear because I'm also next Sapphire when go gear.
This is Sapphire and this one is Christier. They are all fire.
Let's open. You dash right. Eat burger. Shana, you
Yeah.
can eat dash right burger upon this.
That me see it says she dash her burger upon it with something.
No, the catch it. That's not yours.
Mind this joke here, right? Mind it.
Yeah.
Don't go near, right?
Yeah. Stop. Please. No.
For Sapphire say please. Yo, yes, Sapphire say please. You want to take away my shit about please? Yo, you think please is not a please? You think you don't know what?
No, you're not going to get it. You're not going to
Sing the
get
gonna
it. I got time.
Watch, grab it away. You grab it away.
No, that's good. She's small.
You grab it
Don't
away.
worry, don't worry. Don't
Sapphire
worry
go
about
like in the ball
that.
and go
She's
grab
kids.
it away.
Right? Chrissy, happy up yourself. Come, see more stick. Don't cry over a piece of stick. Yeah. Lots more stick around, man. Don't worry about a piece of stick. Wow.
Sapphire, make sure you don't put that in your mouth, you know, because you won't have it on the seat, yeah? I mean, I watch you. It's dirty, right? The seats are dirty. You have sense, you know.
Hey! What? Why you do that? I go tell my daddy Panio and my Yvette and Junior.
My Yvette.
I too young actress, I don't
I
know
go
take it.
tell. Please. Where?
No,
No fighting, no fighting, no fighting.
No.
Call the police or just part. See, police are call me as a matter of fact. Let me answer police. Yes, officer. We the right. You want we know?
Please, officer, don't lock up
Right up
Sophia.
in our road up here, so.
Please, don't lock up Sophia.
All right.
All right, Chrissy, leave him. That's baby. That's how baby operate.
Watch me.
No, take up one next piece of
Russia?
stick.
Sapphire,
Take up one different. Brush off your hand. Brush off your hand.
You used
Yes,
to
sir, look.
bullying.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sapphire, play with her and don't bully her. Leave her, you have your own. Don't do that.
Please,
We don't call the police on you. Behave yourself. Behave your little white self. Behave yourself. Me not part no fight. Behave. Behave.
I go cry,
behave.
Panio.
Behave.
I go cry,
Leave her. You have about 5 of them you take away from her now. And she take up 1 more and you still want to take you away. No man, justice or justice. Go away.
I
Go
go
over,
tell
so.
police, Panio.
Yeah, tell police. Right. Otada. Otavada.
Otavada, boy.
But you're not honest, so you're happy up when time you the trace me. You don't jump up too much. See what Sapphire going. You see, she not get his stick, so she come back to her normal living, doing what she was doing best.
Man.
Look, you see.
Go have hella school in him, you know?
Instead of she eat the burger, you see what she do? She put it on one still. Put it on me. You see what she do?
Hella school
No. You put it on me.
A baby, that's how baby operate. Baby rude.
Up here, no man.
Hey. Talkuptalkuptv1. Mãe, não gostei. E põe. I gostei, não põe.
Behave yourself. Behave yourself. I'm going to talk.
Come.
Alright, hush, mommy. Hush,
You want like I don't, you big.
Hush, baby, hush. Safa, Chaplain, you know say I want to bully?
Yeah.
And you big.
Look for all I stick them where she have right here, so she take them from Chrissy, you know. Alright, now if Chrissy get one new one, Sapphire take you away.
She never for.
Probably Sapphire and none for chocolate. Which one you want, Sapphire?
Suppose me tell you say.
Christian, go eat ice cream? Me did tell Fallon if you ask you not to food on ice cream.
You want ice
I'm
cream?
madam, I don't love ice cream.
Alright.
Sure, you want.
Which one you want? Right. Next Sapphire take one.
You want to know because your baby go eat, so she will make she eat. Use this spoon.
No, make it drop on your clothes.
Let's do it.
Papa, let me help you. Let me help you. Come, eat this before you know. Come,
Alright, eat ice cream.
Najee. Come. No. Fallon send ice cream when I'm not sure.
You buy already.
We ain't buy her, but it might take a couple of minutes. But through there when I make noise and we walk away, we didn't get to collect the net.
Well, just give me that.
You see, when we get baby to stay with, we don't use food to control baby. So we don't stay with young baby. We don't put them on there, so we entertain them at the end of ball.
You see the one I green square, they might run color down so. The balance if it touch side, you
Yes,
see what
and
comes.
every time they buy out, they want food, sugar in their mouth.
In the road back at them, you have to turn back.
Play with us. So right now, if I find out you want to ice cream. Eat no, mommy. Eat some. Eat some. Eat some. Eat some. What him after? Eat some. Hey, girl. Eat some. Yo. Eat some. Eat some, girl. Yo. All right. All right.
Remember say you're big baby enough and you run for a field and ruin the race, don't you? The baby run and win a gun spoon, so you can't manage that.
Yeah, man.
So you're a big baby, you're a tough baby, you hear?
But they're beside the scene.
Oh. You don't want no more? See it? I don't eat and a long belly baby we stay with, brother.
You have to keep him because of fear.
You go tell police. I go tell police.
Come on, tap it on, boy, you'll tell police. What kind of police? You think you're a girl like a long staffers?
I go make sure that I police.
Yeah. I'm going to call the police for now because every time you have your something, she take you away and let her tell us if you leave her because she a baby, don't it? And you a baby to right? Call police.
She's a little
Me not
baby.
wrong you. What else? What other option you want she to do?
She a little baby, man. No
Choppy,
watch
every
out,
time
watch
he take when Chrissy or something, you know, let her tell him if he left him, you know, baby.
Yeah.
So what option Chrissy have to do? He can't trouble the baby. You have to just call the police on the baby because she can't trouble the baby. So you have to just
So you
call
go
the
call
police.
police on him?
Yeah.
For what?
Yes.
You want to lock up your friend?
Yeah.
Why?
He wash me a copy.
Alright. Me beg for him. Nobody call him on him today. You hear?
Yeah.
Alright.
Come Sapphire. Look how Sapphire one way, look.
Hey.
You're not here to stay down here, so. Flowers?
What?
You want one?
Thank you.
Go on back down there. You're welcome, ma'am. Take time, no run off of here, so.
Oh God. I tell you, say, yo, they're not easy.
Take it up. What upon it? How was the fire? Ants. Cause you big. You afraid I want little ants?
You afraid of ants?
Take up the flowers. The ants gone. Take it up. Take it up. The ants drop off.
Ants are company right now. Okay,
Ants up on the still?
Don't smell it, because if ants, the panic ants will fly in your nose. So you not pick things and smell, you hear?
Richard!
Yeah. Come on over here.
Richard!
And who she see where she know? She all of somebody.
A hot girl, you know?
Mm-hmm.
A beer.
No, vaccine.
Come out on the balcony, man.
Mine you drop over there.
And wave. And them the sick, you know. You see, come on, wave. A wave. A white if it's true. Hello. Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. How is it there, ma'am? How is it there going? How is it there going? Suppose one day they come and see one little woman like this, a big man.
Hey!
A big.
Oi!
Yeah, help him beat the big man, because big man deserves this.
Take up your. I chop your
Big
car.
man deserves, yeah. Take up my rum cup, because chop
Good
it
girl.
the free my rum cup. And through it pitney them, I can't get free. Get free. No, that with Cristiano. Chris, every time she have something, she says, Sapphire, I'm willing to share with you. So Chrissy gone. See here, I'll never call police again. Oh my God. You love her?
Yeah.
Oh Jesus, you'll never call police again.
Yeah. Thank you.
No, my friend now, Lato, watch ya. Oh, no, my friend now. Oh, watch your friend them. Big friend them in a Lato. Watch Lato have fallen. Two puppy sure. Why? I wonder who can show me so. I wonder who can show me happy face. Who can show me happy face? Show me happy face. Show me sad face. Show me sad face. Show me sad face. Sad. Oh, I saw. Show me sad face again, Sapphire. Sapphire. Hey. The two drama them in a beer sign language are going on.
Oh God.
Beer sign language are going.
Alright.
Yeah, we have to check
You
this
never call
one.
police on you again. No man, them my best of friend.
You have to say you
Look
would.
there, two of them just are, you know. See that?
And that match is appearance.
See that?
You just have to know what to do.
Yes, it's working.
See me?
So you see when Lato when they go into them business, a while ago Lato when she just come out and pick them business.
We're
You see
not
that?
shame.
Can you take Chrissy about call and she be a soft soap. Two Chrissy saying go call police. But
never
Chrissy
call
obey
police.
Lato.
My
Chrissy
friend
obey Lato. Tell Chrissy to
there.
leave her, so Chrissy they leave her. So you know say Chrissy four. Yeah.
Watch out, Chrissy, watch
Yeah
out,
man,
watch out,
Chrissy
watch out.
four, so you know want Chrissy drag her down a ground, you see me? Because Chrissy a quarter Chrissy a
You better say one now.
you alright. Come Sapphire, if you get medicine, come on, come on. I want to know if you see Chappy come with 2 cups of ice cream for you two baby them and him have him. He hide them! Wait! Yeah, sure.
The baby them say they don't want no ice cream.
The baby them say they don't want no ice cream because you see true down here when baby a ball of ice cream they use and calm the baby them. We not do them something, they will ramp with the baby them also. Give them vibe and energy. Look on Chappy. You have to go eat them the 2 cups of drinks. You have to go drink them. Come, walk down here, say, Lato, catch him. Catch him, Lato, mind your foot.
Them ice cream and curry run belly.
You have to go blend or make smoothie or something, but the pitney them don't want them. Look on the 2 pitney them. Look on the 2 pitney them how they happy and walk.
Time. Go eat some of that.
When you take a lead, you don't know ice cream. So
Don't run, Safi,
don't run. Do not run. Don't run.
Love run.
Come, that vehicle go. Stop, the vehicle go start.
Stop, Chris.
Have you love running?
Mm-hmm.
One more on.
No, the vehicle gone.
Love run.
Sorry for them the ice cream.
Shana,
there.
yet
Watch ya!
Sophie go.
Sophie, stop that.
Shayna.
Shana, your finger.
Me a team go, me a targo.
Handy what I was saying. Mama and Daddy.
Sophia. One hand. I
Me
never
don't
one hand. We me can't hold your hand and you the jump.
You don't need me to hold your hand. No, can't.
Sophia, stop jump.
Then just so circle, you know.
So come for lunch, no matter.
You feel like rain? Me feel rain before, Alana, so.
I want to make you
You
go
feel it?
doctor.
Oh, come me know me not like. Alright, one big one. Hurry up. Rain, run. Wait.
Any nap?
Yeah, man. Are we still there behind the scene? Cook
I
something.
want to take a picture too.
This is pictures.
Mama,
That's so we do.
Pass me.
You always giving trouble.
Pass me.
Yeah, man.
Always.
The chilling spot, is it? Yeah, man, on the
Go
car.
back up there, so now.
Come and sit.
Back
Let's
up
bring
here.
in and give you no more.
Are you there? You run to Jamaica.
Come sit beside me right here, so Sophia. Sophia.
Trying to work for Jamaica.
Sophie, come sit here, so. Come here, so.
Good.
Come here, so. Get up and come here, so. Come. Get
Sophie.
up off the ground.
Safi?
Come.
Safia?
Come now.
Get up. Safi. Safi, please get up. Chris Creed.
Hey, you. Where you going?
Alright, guys, so I'm the video man for the day. No, I'm a video woman for the day. Yeah. That's a go on, what a go on. I want every piece of camera and a guys, so no just look what I'm going to do and I look and I see piece of scene I'm going to catch. Look. Show me what I'm seeing and I'm going to catch. Show me. See now. Look. I am going to put this camera right here. Right there. Oh, I think it's set good. I feel like it's set good. I'm going to put it right here. See? See? I don't want it to turn over or nothing. If you notice how I take me for time with it. See that? You see me put it? That I like to see them I can do. Me bring that come put it down because guess what? That big and heavy and that is not my best friend. Yeah. That now go bounce from me and drop from me and nothing from me. Right, they say that states until Bossy come back. Oh, what? I want a little piece of scene we did a shoot and we done shoot a little piece of scene. So we put down that expensive tool where we have the use because without that can't do no show. So now run no frozen joke with him, I put it down right on his.
Hi.
My Pepsi.
How are you beg, dumpling?
A Joe, Pepsi.
Pepsi with a big
A
bucket?
regular, me a beg, regular.
Oh, good. I'm a big Pepsi. Alright. What this one on me arm? Where?
Oh, wait.
On me arm.
How is that
Wait,
in
under my arm. Come Pepsi, you want? That good?
Yeah, man,
That not good? That must good. That not good. Watch you face some of the people that beg some people sitting there. See, they're begging,
My beg and that show with a Pepsi, I'm wins.
No, but that piece you're going to get half and half with me, I think. So yeah, get enough. You're little bit with you. You're bright. Watch him. I Sean, I said, if you don't drink Pepsi, remember? This song still now no start drink Pepsi because all I did quit and I never want to drink Pepsi again. Like a bottle of Pepsi.
Want some water? Water.
Lato, yeah. Lato, you don't want Pepsi? You don't want Pepsi?
No.
Oh.
No Pepsi.
Lato, drink Splash.
Splash.
Splash. Watch out, Lada, come and do a box of music over there, so watch out people come with the music. The people them come say one night out there. Me if you tell him one, they shame him and we catch up on the camera. Me not tell him. Enough catapult, no.
Yeah.
You're the man to put you on no manners in you.
I don't want to look at whatever.
Sorry.
No, don't put him out there and say no manners must get in your son. Punishment for you. No put him out there. If you learn, if you listen and hear, look him cry.
Quiff!
Cup TV.
Uduf buff. Quiff!
Right. You tell Asha.
Wait them. I'm a stone a little boy that saw stone people them mango tree again with 2 vehicles park up there this time. Lato look.
You tell.
Catapult have this time in a poor rock stone boom back all in a man vehicle did there so brother every week them pitney a come do the same thing dog. Watch you pitney with the catapult. Pour fire and shut out when I people them glass window over the yard. Okay, remove the box cover. See heap of green mango them there. Last week they get some big stone last week.
Safi? Come, let's go.
Money water there.
Clean man. Christian, that's grown man.
You're sick now, man.
But if you don't eat this food, it don't matter.
So go want this
Yeah, we go
later.
take she go ready. We don't have this, we go rest on it.
Watch him down in your phone.
He left me handbag. I tell me fucking food. Go get the boy that said that.
Tree ready for eat.
Later, he left she handbag. I tell me food. I'm gonna fucking the boy that sweat.
Nothing in your handbag why you want for that. I food you want. So I making care. What
That's me left me food. I'm gonna come out. Come to him and free. Him boy, easy.
What a wise ass.
Just breathe and don't make me so.
Yeah. What a